Hello, friends. All right, so yesterday you should have worked on this quotients with power activity. Make sure you get this submitted. This is your second grade for the 9 weeks. Don't fall behind, okay? Keep things done. Get things done. Submit it. I am gonna look at a couple of these problems with you. I think you should be able to do number 1 and 2, okay? Let's see. I'm gonna do number 3 with you. Let me pull this over here. Okay. So number 3, we have v cubed w to the 4 divided by v w to the 5th squared. Okay, so we can do this a couple of ways, and I'm okay with either any way you choose. But the first thing I'm going to deal with is this 2. So v cubed w to the 4 over vw to the 5th means we're doing, our squared means we're doing that twice, right? When we multiply fractions, that means we're adding up the exponents. So this is going to be v to the power of 6. I would do 3. I have 3 of them here plus 3 of them here. W to the power of 8. I have 4 and 4. If I were to expand that out, I have v times v times v times w times w times w times w times v times v times v times w times w times w times w, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 v's. That's where I get the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me, w's. That's where I got the 8. Okay. So when we're multiplying things that have the same base, I add up their exponents. So here on the bottom, I have v and v. So there's 2 v's, and I have w5, which is w10. So now I can simplify this even further. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I'm going to simplify this even further. Well, I have 6 v's on the top and 8 w's. All divided by 2 v's and 10 w's. Okay, so then I can cancel some things out. So v divided by v is 1, v divided by v is 1. Then I'm going to have w divided by w, w divided by w, w divided by w, w divided by w. I can keep going until I've used all the w's I can. And so I'm going to be left with, I'm going to change to a different color because that yellow is a little hard to see, I think. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 v's on the top and 1, 2 w's on the bottom. Okay? So this answer would be v to the 4 over w squared. So be really careful. Don't choose this answer. You have those 2 w's left, but they're in the denominator, okay? So don't bring them to the numerator. Keep them where they're at. All right, I'm going to leave number 4 for you, number 5 for you. I'll do number 6 here. Okay, so I can expand this out. I can write all these x's and all these y's, but really what happened up here is I took 6 minus 2 and I got 4 in the top. Then I took my bigger number 10 minus 8 and I got 2 in the bottom. So wherever my bigger number is, that's where that variable stayed, right? So let's see what we have here. I'm going to work this one piece at a time. Oops. I'm going to work this one piece at a time. So right here I have negative 49 divided by 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7. So that's a negative divided by positive is a negative. So that's negative 7. Then I can work this next piece. X to the power of 8 over x to the power of 7. Well, I'm going to do 8 minus 7 is 1. My bigger number is in the numerator, so I'm going to put that up there, x to the power of 1. And then I have this last piece here, y to the power of 5 divided by y. Well, that means I'm doing 5 minus 1. My bigger number is in my numerator, so it's going to stay in the numerator. 5 minus 1 is 4, so that means I have y to the power of 4. Okay? So it would be, for mine, it's b. Yours might be in a different spot. But pay attention, please notice that when I have numbers, I'm just simply dividing those. That fraction line just means division, right? Quotient means divide. So negative 49 divided by 7. That's just a regular old math problem. Treat it that way. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't forget your basic skills. You guys know how to divide. Okay? So I think looking at those problems, you should be able to make sure you complete that and turn it in. If you already submitted it yesterday and you missed some questions that you think you can do now that you've seen me work these problems, go back and resubmit it. Do it again, okay? The next thing is there's a maze, and I want you to work on that and submit it. Come on. It takes forever to load sometimes. So there's the laws of exponents maze. Oh, I don't have it attached. I don't have it attached yet. I'm going to post it. I forgot I don't have it attached yet. Sorry. But I'm not going to work any problems on it anyway. I think you can do it. All right. If you have questions about it, please let me know. Remember, there's going to be a blue link here. You'll click on that link to open it up into a new screen. And then make sure you come back to this screen to submit. All right. So make sure you submit that. If you have questions, please, please, please let me know. Don't sit at home and struggle. I want to help you. All right. See you later. Have a great weekend also. It's Friday. Yay.